Hi, I am Muhammad, an Excel expert. In today's video, I'll walk you through our data analysis project that I have completed for a client in a pharmaceutical industry. So basically, the client had a large master sheet in which all the data is bunched up, not clean and not easy to read. He wanted to pull up the most important insights out of it. So, so the first I started with by cleaning up that master sheet, but what it was very difficult to clean up all of these and create a very small sheet and quicker sheet out of it. So that's why I created an analysis sheet for that reason. In this sheet, I created multiple tables for creating the end results like pivot tables. So that's why I first created a clean professional analysis sheet out of the master sheet and arranged all of that in a clean format. Then after this, according to client requirements, I created multiple pivot tables in a new sheet where he can actually see the performance of his products. Here you can see that I used some more my techniques to improve the visual appearance of that sheet so it looks more professional and cleaner. The biggest challenge in this project is to overcome the redundancy that is coming on the over the master sheet. So for solving this challenge, I used a method for cleaning by instead of cleaning up a large file, I created small tables out of it so I can create pivot tables very easily. Now the client was very happy with the results and he is now can easily analyze the performance of his products out of it and can make better and smarter marketing decisions. Thanks for watching. If you if you would like to turn your messy files into clean dashboards or pivot reports, I would love to help.